Hi guys, hi beautiful people. I especially welcome you to your favorite vegetarian channel, Macoms Veg Kitchen. How are you guys doing? I trust you're staying fit, eating right, and staying beautiful as well. I'm back again, and today we are making grape smoothie. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So the ingredients are quite basic, you don't need much. I have my plant-based or vegan meal. I have grapes as the star ingredient, and then 2 fingers of banana and honey. That's all you need to make this delicious smoothie. Kindly note that all my fruits are neatly washed. So I go ahead to peel the bananas and then put it right into my smoothie blender or smoothie maker. I did so with the other one as well, and then I added my grapes. I was generous with it. Add any proportion that you want. You can add as much as you want to make your smoothie delicious. Right after adding my grapes, I go in with the honey. I just poured it into it, but I think it's about 2 tablespoons full of honey. You can add as much as you want to your taste. And then I go in with my plant-based milk or vegan milk. I was also generous with it. And then I covered my blender and set to blend. I blended it for about 20 seconds to 1 minute. And right after the set time, just look at it. My smoothie is ready. You don't need much time to do this. It's fast, quick, easy, simple, peasy, delicious, all the good accolades. So I served myself, and guys, I totally enjoyed this. You can make this for anyone, for kids, for adults, just anyone. It's a healthy, delicious smoothie. And just look at it sitting pretty. Kindly do well to try your hands on this and let me know how it tastes. Let's get interactive in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you loved it, kindly do well to give it a big thumbs up as it helps the channel grow. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Share this beautiful, simple recipe with everybody on your contact list. Let them become a part of this beautiful family. And until I see you in my next one, stay beautiful, stay positive. Bye guys.